70 grade 10 learners were asked which of the three subjects, mathematics, life science, and physical science, they took. 50 learners take mathematics. 21 learners take physical science. 33 learners take life science. 5 learners take all three subjects. 26 learners take mathematics and life science. 18 learners take maths and physical science. And 7 learners take life science only. Determine the probability that a learner chosen at random takes life science, maths but not life science, maths or life science. The first thing to do is to draw the sample space, S. Since 5 of the 70 learners take all three subjects, we know that the three sets, maths, physical science, and life science, will intersect each other. Inside this space where the three sets intersect each other, we place a 5 to indicate that 5 learners take all three subjects. 26 learners take maths and life science, so we place a 26 in the space where these two sets intersect each other. But since 5 of these learners also take physical science, it follows that 21 of these 26 learners take only maths and life science. 18 learners take maths and physical science. 5 of these learners also take life science, so it follows that 13 of these 18 learners take maths and physical science only. 50 learners take maths, so therefore the number of learners that only take maths is 11. 7 learners take life science only, represented by the red region. It therefore follows that there are no learners that take physical science and life science only, since the sum of the elements in the life science set already total 33 learners. 21 learners take physical science, so therefore 3 learners take physical science only. The number of learners in these three sets total 60, and since 70 learners were interviewed, it follows that 10 learners do not take either of these subjects. 10 is therefore placed in the white space outside these sets. Now that we have completed the Venn diagram, we can answer the questions. The probability that a learner will take life science is the total number of learners that take life science, divided by the total number of learners interviewed. The probability that a learner takes life science is therefore 33 over 70. The probability that a learner takes maths but not life science is the total number of learners that take maths, which is 50, minus the number of those that take maths and life science, which is 26. Thus, the probability that a learner takes maths, but not life science, is 11 plus 13 over 70, which is 24 over 70. The probability that a learner takes maths or life science, is the probability that the learner takes maths, plus the probability that the learner takes life science, minus the probability that the learner takes both maths and life science. Thus, the probability that the learner takes maths or life science equals 50 over 70, plus 33 over 70, minus 26 over 70, which equals 57 over 70. We could have also added all the elements contained in these two sets. So, the number of learners that took maths, or life science, equals 11 plus 13 plus 5 plus 21 plus 0 plus 7, which equals 57.